Hello everyone. Today in this session we shall discuss about the strings concept in C. So let us first see what is a string. So string is a sequence of characters terminated with a null character. So and this null character is represented like this, that is /0, or we can define it like one dimensional array of characters ending with a null character. As we all know that array is a collection of similar data types, right? So if the data type is a character type, then we can call it as a string. And let us see the syntax of the strings. Char, our data type is character, and here the variable is string as it's an array, that is one dimensional array of characters, and I'm determining a size of array that is 50. So I can store 50 characters. So I'm giving a string, that is I'm initializing here itself, that is I'm giving a string as an input, that is 7. Okay, if you want to take the string from the keyboard, simply you place a semicolon here and no need to write this. Okay, I'll show you that in program. And whenever we give a string or whenever we take a string, it is stored like this in memory allocation, that is string is stored and a null character is also stored at the end of the string. Okay, a null character is must. So let us see a small program on the strings. Okay, first I'm initializing, I'm declaring a string that is str of size 50. Okay, now I'll ask the user to print a string, that is enter a string. Okay, next scanf. See, whereas in int data type arrays we use loops for printing the arrays, that is the elements in the arrays, whereas in the strings concept we don't use any loops, concepts or iterations. Simply we write the statement, that is %s comma ampersand str. See, we're not using any loops here. Just by writing this statement we can print, that is we can take the whole string as an input. Okay, next printf entered string is %d comma string. Okay, okay, here it is %s, as it is a string type we use %s format specifier. So let us run this program and I'll click here /n. Okay, enter a string, so hello people, then entered string is hello people. Okay, here you can see this. Okay, this is our output, and I'll show you the other type, that is I'm not taking any input from the keyboard, directly I'll give here. Let us give a string. Okay, now what will be my output? String, entered string is string. Okay, see, entered string is string. As my input is string, the output will be string here, and you can define it. Here we have another type of declaration. You can declare this string like this also. That means I'm giving each and every character by mentioning a comma in between. See, string, and I'm also mentioning /0, that is null character at the end. When you declare like this in this format, you must mention null character at the end. So now I'll run. You will get the same output, that is end dot string is string. Okay, this is printing a string. Okay, and we have many functions in string that are used to manipulate the string. So let us see all these functions which manipulate the strings. The first one is string copy, that is strcpy. The syntax of this is strcpy open braces str1. This is str1 is a string 1 comma string 2, that is whatever the string 2 will be copied in this string 1. See, copies the string 2 in string 1. Okay, and the second function is string concatenation, that is represented as strcat and within the braces string 1 and string 2. Here concatenate string str2 in str1, that is it adds the str1 in str2. And third one is string length. It is used to determine the length of a string. See, whatever the string present in this braces, it determines that particular string length. Okay, let us see a program based on these three functions, that is string copy, string concatenation and string length. Okay, so I'll directly give a string name, that is hello. I am also giving another string, that is str1. Okay, 50 is equal to students or people. Now I am taking one more string, that is string 2 of 50. See, in this first program, first I am using the function that is string copy. So see, I have declared three strings, that is first string I am taking it as hello, and this my second string is people, and third string I am just initializing them with size 50. I am not mentioning any string, and this string is used to store this first string. I'll show you how. See, here my function is string copy, that is strcpy. I'm storing this string, that is string in str2, that is hello will be stored in the str2, and I'm printing this str2. Printf end dot string is or string after copying is string after copying is str2. So run this. String after copying is hello, because my first string, that is str, is hello. As I am copying this hello in the second string, that is str2, this hello will be stored in this str2. Okay, I'll also show you this concatenation string, that is strcat. See, now taken one more function, that is string concatenation. For that strcat, here I am adding this people in this str, that is str1 string is added to this str. Okay, now the whole string, that is hello plus people, both strings are together are stored in str. So if I print this str string, my output will be hello people. So let us see this. See, first one is string after copying is hello. String after concatenation is hello people, that is string 1 is added to this str. Okay, I'll also show you string length, that is strlen of string 1. So string 1 length I can this method is used to determine the length of the string 1. So this length has to be stored in a particular variable. For that I'm taking a variable that is a, and I'll initialize this here, that is int a, and a is used to store the length of the string 1. So now I'll print this, printf length of the string is, this is integer type, so I'm using %d comma a. Okay, now I'll run this. See, string length of the string is, okay, /n. You can see here length of the string is 6, because people, how many characters are there in this people string? people, 6 characters in a string. So the length of the string people is 6. Okay, these are the 3 manipulating functions of a string, and we also have 2 more, that is string char, strchar, same encloses with str1 comma ch. Ch is a character, and this is used to it returns the pointer to the first occurrence of a character ch in the string 1. That is, let us take an example, that is, I'm considering a string hello. So L is repeating twice here, so it returns the pointer to the first occurrence. See, if I mention a character that is L, if I mention a character L, then the pointer will be returning to the first occurrence, that is first letter, first L. It returns to the first L. Okay, this function is used to just to return the pointer, to place the pointer at particular character. Okay, and we also, this is for character. If you want to place a pointer at particular string, instead of character you can place string here. Okay, and we have one more function, that is strcmp, comparison, string comparison. Okay, and the syntax is strcmp within the braces string 1 comma string 2. That is, generally for this function the output will be either 0 or less than 1 or greater than 1. I'll show you how. The output will be 0 if the string 1 and string 2 are same. Okay, and it returns a value which is less than 0. If the output is less than 0, that is, the string 1 is less than string 2. If string 2 is greater than string 1, then the output will be greater than 1. Okay, see, you can replace these 2 strings. If you want, if you mention string 2 here and string 1 here, then then here the values will be changed. That is, if string 2 is less than string 1, then the output will be less than 0. Okay, so this is all functions about the strings concept. Thank you.